Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret, Chapter 9, Shloka 4. All this world, universe, is pervaded by me in my unmanifest form, aspect. All beings exist in me, but I do not dwell in them.
Chapter 9, Shloka 4. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagattavyaktamurtina matstani sarvabhutani nachaham teshvavastitah.
Chapter 9, Shloka 4. Knowledge is glorified and the dharma which is to be followed is explained. The self is unmanifest. The whole universe is projected on and supported by the self. Subtlety is measured by pervasiveness. The subtlest must be all pervasive. As all limited things must have a form, the self must be eternal and infinite. The self, in its essential unmanifest nature, pervades everything like mud pervades all forms and shapes in all mud pots. What is the relationship between the infinite self and the finite? Relationship can only be in duality. Since there is only one eternal self alone, Advaita cannot accept any relationship. When Lord says that all beings exist in me, but I do not exist in them, this description has to be understood as the relationless relationship of superimposition between the infinite and the finite. A simple example explains this. A ghost vision can only come on a post. What is the relationship between the post and the ghost? The post can claim that the ghost exists in it, but it does not exist in the ghost, that it has not frightened any person. This relationship between the post and the ghost is described as superimposition. In the same way, the self in its unmanifest nature is the substratum for the manifest, the names and forms, conditions of joys and sorrow, but neither their cause nor it dwells in them. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.